win. We still a win. We still a win. And we still a win. Them girl keep the black thing shining. We still a win. And we still a win. Unruly thing. We still a win. And we still a win. Them finna.
Yours truly, no other than Miss Jules B's mom. You like my makeup? Anyways, the story time is about way back years ago. When I was much younger, I must say, maybe much prettier, or even no prettier, I'm not sure. But you know men who don't really look nice, they love pretty women. Yes. So to be honest with you, I always attract the opposite of beauty. If you get what I mean. I don't want to really say too much. Anyway, so I met this man after I stopped working doing hairdressing, and you know, you stop working and you not and anything, and you have this thing in Jamaica partner where you throw your money with one person, then when you reach X amount, then you collect. Yes, so stop working, never have no money or anything, but I have to control time. I didn't have enough, and this man gave me a lift. In Jamaica, people give you a drive, whatever. And to go and pay for, and I was saying to him, he said, what are you doing, blah? And I says, well, I'm going to pay for one, but I haven't got enough money. And he says, serious, darling? And he gave me some money. I said, what? Yes, darling. At that time, I think I was single. Yes, it must be single, yeah. Anyway, from that, somebody died in the district, and he said it's coming to a week, like it was like the money partner part, then about the Friday would be the week or something like that, and he said that he's coming. Wow, so he came as he said, and we meet up, blah blah blah. Anyway, from there, so it grew and grew and grew. But when my cousin keep warning me, listen, maybe when she look at that face and look at this beauty right here, she said, listen, you don't want that person, stop taking that person's things. But the man was so good to me, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, I didn't care about appearance. I have to be honest, because to be honest with you, I always say, listen, I'm pretty, so I don't care about other people's looks. I've got the prettiness right here.
Talk hot, let me talk hot.
Anyway, so it happened that after a while, everything was so good. The man was, is there such a word as overloved? Yes, I got it. He was kind, he was considerate, and it wasn't only kind to me, kind of my child. It was just overall nice. We used to go with his police friends, or them sort of friends, and keep people up there and things, you know, them kind of man, yeah. So I decided to break it off, never knowing that he had a watchman in the district watching me. So this particular night, they had something up the road, and I invited this guy there. Then who pop up? Mr. Man. Mr. Man say, do you want a drink? With my bossy self. No. I say, you don't want anything from me? No. Because I really want to just break it off. Anyway, I leave with my new friend and went down. I just to myself, it's my house, so he shouldn't even come there and bother me or anything. As soon as I reached in the house, I heard, come on the window. I said, oh my God, don't let it be what I'm thinking. I said, who is it? And let's say the person's name is S. And he said, it's me, S. I said, what is it? He wants to talk to me. I said, don't worry, come tomorrow, we'll talk. The man, till he says, if I don't open the door, he's going to kick it off. Oh my God. No sooner than he said that, I heard in the front door, boom, boom, boom. I said, oh my God. But you know, my door had like chains, like the foreign chain, and the security chain, yes. So me, I just hurry and take off the security chain and bolt through the back door. Mr. Owner for the house, well spread out. Yes! I didn't care what happened or what not happened, but me, make sure I say, me leave the situation. Listen, I run until I feel like I was floating in the air. I run past my mom's house, I run until I reach on my auntie in talk back. I sit down, I didn't care about frogs or anything on the ground, I didn't care. And I was round there until I heard on the road, boop, 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 boop. I said, oh my God, listen to the cows. Never knowing it was Mr. S running the new boy. So, then I take them and go over my cousin's house, and I call her, I said say V. I said, V, open the door. Guess what happened? S come on, and so come. I used to, this is her to me now. I used to warn you. So if I don't want him, don't take him when you whatever. So everybody went out there and start. Apparently left the guy 'cause maybe he couldn't catch him or whatever. So he came back up the road and took his car, drive down the road, he drive back up the road until eventually my people, my mom and my cousins and whatever, went out and he says to them, he's not going to do me anything, he just want to talk to me, they should call me. My dear child, me never put my foot out there. Anyway, the next day now, me with my bright self, say me go and tell police. Police ask me, so what kind of thing that if you do the big man? Even the people who used to go out and drink, but we be frightened. I went and complained to them because I thought, yeah, this is something to do about law, so friendship is out of it. But you know, Jamaican how it's set up already, and I just walk away, Anyway, about a few days after that, I was in the town now. Who that? Mr. Drop brakes quick. Mr. S, I just pulled into a taxi. I said, driver. Listen, if you want to hear how it ends, just simple subscribe or like or thumbs up or comment and question me or whatever, and you'll hear how it ends. Buy me all Jews, new Jews, in between Jews. Please comment. You will hear it guys get spicy.
Yeah. The Scupper. I seen heaven. Serious.
In love.
I'm nervous again. I understand it, Papa. I'm going to get the camera lean some.
See how it looks.
The camera you never straighten it yet.
No, leave it, because
Bye. You love for you come and start sitting. Not because you can't sit in the heat.
you're gonna do a part 2 at a later date.
Huh?
I saw you professional